Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another recipe to share with you guys. This is a one pan dish. You're going to need some boneless, skinless chicken breast, a packet of zesty Italian salad dressing and recipe mix, 1 stick of melted butter, 2 cans of cut green beans or the sour green beans you prefer, and red whole potatoes. Let's get started. First things first, you're going to start slicing your whole potatoes. Now, of course, you're going to need to make sure that these are washed off. You can skin them if you'd like. In the recipe I'm following, they did halves, but I think that I'm going to do 4s and smaller than that. I'm cutting mine in 8s. Next up, we're going to be slicing our chicken. The recipe says to slice these in half. So that's what we're going to do. We have our pan sprayed with non-stick here, is what you're seeing. We're going to take our chicken and it's going to go in the middle of the pan. Another thing you're going to want to go ahead and have done is your green beans drained, and we're going to add them over here on the side. Lastly, we're going to be adding our potatoes over here before we move on to the next step. Next step is to pour your melted butter over your entire dish. Going to take your Italian seasoning. Going to drizzle this over the dish, over everything. Okay, after we have all the butter laid out, the Italian seasoning drizzled over this, you need to already be preheating your oven to 350, and we're going to cover this in foil and cook it for 1 hour. Yes, your entire dinner in a dish. It doesn't get any easier than that, and it smells delicious already. Here is our finished dish. This smells divine. I can't wait to dig in. It looks beautiful. It's gonna look so good plated as well. And I think that this is a quick and easy meal to feed your family in one pan, and I thought you guys would love this. So when I saw this recipe, I had to pass it on. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more recipe videos. Don't forget to check that playlist in the description box below. And thanks again for watching.